Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. So first thing that we have to do here is you want to have to go to paypal.com and log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, we need to next connect our Revolut account into PayPal. Now to do this, we need to go ahead and click on the app, the card or the bank option here that you see on your screen, and once you click on it, it's going to load up the screen here. So in this case with Revolut, we could request for a card. So if you already have your Revolut card with you, you could go ahead and choose the option here that says link a credit card, and from here you should be able to link your debit card or credit card here. So enter your card number, the card type here, as well as the expiration date and the security code that is located at the back. Now from here you also have to provide your billing address. So go ahead and add your billing address, and from there once you filled out all these details, just click on the link card that you see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you've linked your card at the home screen of PayPal, you should be able to see an option that says transfer funds. Now once you click on transfer funds, you should have the option to transfer from PayPal to your connected card or bank. Now from there just follow the steps and you should be able to provide or do the transaction from PayPal to Revolut. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.